What's up, guys? This is Apple Pie, and it's time for a recap. In today's episode, Apple has had their September event. It was unusual this year because we did not see any iPhones yet, but we have a couple of exciting things to show you. So, as for a recap on what happened in this year's September event, we will be talking about the Apple Watch Series 6, the Apple Watch SE, Apple Fitness Plus, the new iPad Air and iPad, and the AppleOne Bundle subscription service. So if you go to Apple's website, which I am at right now, you can see that the main focus is on Apple Watch Series 6, which is the new addition to the Apple Watch series, and basically it's an upgrade from the Series 5. There's one unique feature in the Series 6, which is it has blood oxygen meters. And we have two new colors. So this is the two additions. It also gets brighter during the day. The future of health is on your wrist. Measure your blood oxygen level with a revolutionary new sensor and app. Take ECG anytime, anywhere. See your fitness metrics at a glance with enhanced always-on retina display. With Apple Watch Series 6, your wrist, a healthier, a more active, more connected life is in with reach. Blood oxygen, a breath of fresh innovation. So basically the blood oxygen levels can be analyzed from your body via the Apple Watch. This is a very unique feature. It has many health benefits if you control and monitor your blood oxygen. It has a new sensor on the back of the Series 6, which looks pretty cool. It has an upgrade from the Series 5. Green, red, and infrared LEDs shine into the blood vessels on your wrist, and photodiodes measure the amount of light reflected back. Advanced algorithms then calculate the color of your blood, which indicates the amount of oxygen present. It's really, really cool. Then you have the ECG as we had before. You have sleep analysis, which is from watchOS 7, and it's swimming proof, which it has always been. Now, there's one unique addition to these watches, which are the colors. So we have two more colors, and one color is the red and one is the blue. The product red and really cool blue. The aluminum blue is one of my favorites. Also, the red is, I think, if you in any way or form like red bands, then this will go perfectly with it. Now there are a lot of new bands as well on watch faces. So with the Series 6 we get this new solo loop, which is crafted from soft stretchable silicone rubber. The solo loop is ultra comfortable, lightweight, and surprisingly easy to slip on and off. Now there's a braided solo loop as well. Also there's new display, new faces, which as you can see over here, there's different kind of colors and Memoji. I don't know why you would need Memoji, but we have Memoji faces on the Apple Watch. Now because Apple has shared the SDK for the watchOS 7, new and more interesting applications will be present on your watch faces. So let's hope the developers take this into consideration and we get really, really cool watch faces over here. And that's it. You can still make phone calls with it. You can do everything that you could do previously, except you have now blood oxygen within your reach. After watchOS 6, we were introduced to Watch SE, which is basically a Series 4, Series 5 lookalike. The big difference is the price, which is $279. That one has all the benefits that the previous models had. This is a new design, the Apple Watch Series 4 design. So it comes with 50 meters water resistant case, and the new bands fit it perfectly. It comes with Apple Fitness, which I'll talk about in a minute. You can see that everything stayed the same, except it got a lot cheaper. It has watchOS 7. It's a really good option if you don't want to buy the latest and greatest and you don't need the blood oxygen meters for your body. I think this will be one of the most popular Apple Watches come tomorrow or today, when actually you can pre-order and on Friday when you will be actually able to get these watches in the store. Now, Apple Fitness is a unique service Apple brought out for us, and a new fitness experience powered by Apple Watch. Try world-class workouts on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. What this does basically is you can launch fitness programs from your phone, from your iPad, your Apple TV, and if you have your Apple Watch on your hand, the device's data will be mirrored on the screen. A new fitness experience, everyone powered by Apple Watch, world-class workouts by world's top trainers. Every week you have a new workout. It's $10 a month or $80 a year. If you buy a new Apple Watch, you get 3 months for free. Now, what this does is, as you can see, you have the fitness training, and while you are wearing the watch and while you're watching what to do, you can see all your statistics up here in the top left corner. There are a lot of fitness programs you can join over here: yoga, running, stretching, muscle training, weight training. So it's really cool. Apple Music is integrated in there. Core strength, mindful cool down, cycling, yoga, dance, rowing, treadmill walk, HIIT, and treadmill run, which is really cool. You can do everything at home at your time, and there are new fitness trainings every week for you to choose from. It's a really cool concept. I don't know how much people will be getting into that. I mean, $10 a month is not that much if you consider what you would pay for a gym. I think it's pretty cool. Then after that came the introduction of not the iPad Air, but the new iPad, which is the updated iPad from last year. The big difference is it has a 12 Bionic chip and supports Apple Pencil. Also, it has a smart connector, so it supports any keyboards that you might have. Really great, really cool. iPad Air was the big news right now, and it's a 10.9-inch liquid retina display. So it's not the 11-inch that the iPad Pro was in 2018, but it's basically the same design. As you can see, all screen, but there is one caveat. Even though it's a liquid retina display, 10.9 inches, so it's 0.1 inch smaller than the iPad Pro. The Face ID still didn't make it. There's Touch ID built into the top of this device, which is really cool, really secure, really fast. That's how I think they got it cheaper. Now, inside is an A14 Bionic, which is ultra super fast. They showed a lot of things on how fast it is. It's 2 times faster than the top selling Windows laptops, 3 times faster than the top selling Android tablets, and 6 times faster than the top selling Chromebooks, I think. Apple Pencil 2 support came with the iPad Air and Magic Keyboard, so everything that you can connect is available. Now it's available in silver, space gray, rose gold, green, and sky blue. And last but not least, we have AppleOne coming. AppleOne is a subscription service. It's a bundle, actually, where you can have Apple Music, Apple TV, Apple Arcade or Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, and iCloud all in one bundle. And if we look at the prices, basically it's even better together. There are 3 tiers. You have the solo plan or the individual plan for $15 a month for Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Arcade, and iCloud 50 gigabytes. Then you have the family plan, which is $20 for Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Arcade, and 200 gigabytes. And you have the Premier, which is $30 per month. And you have Music, TV Plus, Arcade, 2 terabytes of iCloud, Apple News Plus, and Fitness Plus. This is coming in late 2020. This looks like a really good deal, but what if I only want to subscribe to Music, TV, Arcade, and I already have a 2 terabyte iCloud? Does my iCloud subscription, that $10, go on top of this, so I pay $25? Maybe that would be something cool. Maybe they can come up with another plan for that. Really good to have. Anyway, this was the event. This is what we got to see. This was the recap of the 2020 September Apple event. We had no iPhones. We had no MacBooks. Hopefully in October, they'll get back to that. Thank you very much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe and hang on.